Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create the Onyx account on Poke 3. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Here you need to go for the accounts, enter Onyx account and log in. Now you can either use your phone number or the email address to log in or create account. And here enter your email address. Click on obtain verification code. It should be sent to your email address. In the verification code, put the number that was sent to you on the email, and you should be able to create your account. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.